Welcome to the future of coding with GitHub Copilot, your AI pair programmer. In this course, you will learn how Copilot will transform the way we code, making it faster and efficient. This is Bharat Tipiredi. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor. This course is for any Python or Django REST developer.
You will start this course by learning what GitHub Copilot is and how it makes programming enjoyable and creative. You will set up Copilot in Visual Studio Code and you will see the magic of Copilot by generating code, reviewing and refactoring it. You will also use Copilot to explain complex code problems and debug errors. You will start with simple Python programs and then move on to the complex ones while mastering Copilot and Copilot chart. You will work on a patient clinicals use case where you will develop RESTful API using Django REST framework. You will generate model classes, serializers, views and configure URLs within minutes using Copilot. You will also create and execute unit tests using Copilot. You will then move on to the front end side of things where you will build a beautiful front end using React. You will generate React components, navigate from one screen to another in quick and easy fashion. We need not use Stack Overflow or Google to debug errors. Copilot chart will not only figure out what exactly the error is, it will also suggest a fix and it will show us where exactly it should go in the code.
Enroll now and unlock the full potential of AI-powered code assistance.